Hello everyone, my name is Vic and welcome to my course Learn PHP Programming for Absolute Beginners. Now this course is going to be a very comprehensive course. You're going to learn the very basics of PHP programming, and this course is going to assume you have absolutely no programming background with PHP. Now by the time you're done with this course, you have a very good background. You're going to learn the basics. You're going to have a very solid understanding of PHP language. About me, my name is Vic. I'm a programmer and IT instructor, and I've lectured over 2,000 students in classroom and in online meetings. So in taking this course with me, you can be sure you're in very safe hands with getting the very best foundational knowledge of PHP. Why this course? Now, one of the key interesting things about PHP is that it is quite easy to learn, and also it is popular and widely used. Now, nearly 80% of all the websites out there on the internet uses PHP. And one of the examples is the popular Facebook that we all know. Now, also for web development skill. Now, one of the key foundation of PHP is its usage for web development. That's its primary usage. We also have content management system. The popular content management system like WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, and so forth all uses PHP. So when you have PHP knowledge, it will be quite very easy for you to work around this content management system. And PHP also has a very large community support. Thousands of developers worldwide uses PHP for their project. It also has a very active job market. So whether you want to learn PHP for freelancing or you want to learn PHP to land your next job, so it is a very quite interesting language to learn.